Today I'm reviewing Copy.ai. In specific, I'm reviewing the social ads tool inside the platform, which means that you'll be able to create copy text for your social media ads like Instagram, Facebook, Google, or whatever you're trying to run.
Wow.
And the best thing is, doesn't matter if you have a product-based business or if you're providing a service, you'll be able to run ads, create a copy that actually sells. So before we get started, I put a link down in the description with a 7-day free trial, so go ahead and try it for yourself. Well, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Actions and then create a new project. As you can see, Copy.ai has a ton of tools inside the platform, not only for social media ads. In case that you want to see how that works, I made a video for each specific tool that they have available that you can find in the description of the video.
What a time to be alive.
So first we click Actions and then click Create New Project. Then for this project, we're going to put the name of our business and then the website name. This way you can keep it organized without mixing your personal life with your business. So for our example, we have QP Speakers. This is a demo company that I'm using as an example so we can actually create copy and you can see how it works. I picked a product-based company and a service-based company so you can see that actually works for any kind of business or whatever text you're trying to create for your ads. So right here, project name, we put the name of the company, and then the website name, we put qpspeaker.com. Right here, you can pick within these 6 options. So for this specific product, I'm picking the luxury one, but depending on whatever you're trying to do, you'll pick another one.
Just pick one. They all cost the same.
Then we click save and then we're ready to start creating our copy. Right here, we can see our project that we just created, and then we're ready to go to the playground. Inside the playground, we go to social ads and then select whatever we're interested in. So let's say that we're creating a Facebook ad and we need the primary text. So right here, we click the option and then you'll see it right here on the top. After that, we go ahead and copy the name of our business and paste it right here. And then following that, we'll paste a description no more than 400 characters. Don't worry, just type whatever the features of the product, be as specific as you can. And then after that, you will start generating copy that's top notch for Facebook ads. So let's go and copy this description right here and then paste it. Now we click need help targeting a more specific audience, and then we click this option and then target audience. Obviously, you know your potential customers, so let's be a little bit more specific. Right here, we're going to put audio files, which are the people that actually like having a high-end kind of sound. And then for occasion, we're doing anniversary sale, and the promotion will be free shipping plus 10% off. The more input that you put in, the better output you will get. So let's go and click create. We'll wait the 30 seconds and then we'll get amazing copy. So let's see what the system created for us. So we have
upgrade your home theater system with our Cyber Monday sale on QP speakers. The new QP2 speakers offer 3-way speaker design for audio files, premium bass, etc.
So right here, you see that it has a ton of detail and it's made for Facebook primary text. Obviously, you should edit depending on your needs. The system is actually creating from whatever you put in first. So after you see something that you like, you can click the heart right here and then you will see it right here in view saved. So what I recommend is as soon as you see something that you like, go ahead and click make more, because the AI system will know what you are exactly looking for and then will create more from that information. So let's go down and keep reading different options. So from the one that we created, we can see other options.
Upgrade your home theater system with our Cyber Monday sale on QP speaker. Try it out today.
Super clean, super easy, straight to the point, super cool. Then we have
designed to sound better QP speakers are a great upgrade to any home theater system designed by an audio engineer from Stanford University.
Obviously, you can change this depending of your origin story, but you have some ideas that you can actually just plug and play. You can change, edit, and then you will be ready to go, ready to run your ads. So let's go and make more of this one, and then we heart this option also so we can save it and then use it for A/B testing so we can see what works the best. So let's go down and keep seeing more options.
Whether you watch movies, play music, or just listen to the radio, QP speakers sound fantastic.
Super easy, it's not too bold, obviously. Then we have
The QP's musical experience is designed to sound crisp, clear, and powerful. It is time to experience a high-quality viewing and music system for the home.
Wow.
I really like this one, so we go ahead and click make more, and then we heart this one. And then from that you'll get more and more results, and it's super cool because obviously you can see it's basically infinite. You can spend here the whole day looking for the ideal copy, but you know that the AI system is learning and learning from what you are picking, okay? So after that we can go to view saved, and then we have the 3 options that we selected. We can copy from here and then paste it on our Facebook platform, or we can even export save and download that as a CVS file. Let's say that you pick like 20, 25, 50 and you want to share with your team to see what they think. You can do so much from here, okay? And also obviously you can copy all and then you can share it with a link.
That was easy.
The best part from this platform, actually that surprised me a lot, is that you can put input language in English, and let's say that you want to test your product or service in another country that speaks a different language. So right here you can put an output language, and then let's say Spanish right here. You can see they have a ton of languages. You can pick Spanish, and then we can create copy that actually sells in Spanish. So we can build a website in the native language, and then we have even better results. So right here we input the Facebook primary text in English about our product, and then we get the copy in Spanish. This is not a translation, this is like literally a copywriter doing the copy that sells in the Spanish language, okay? So we have amazing results right here.
Llega un momento en el que necesitas hacer un cambio,
etc. So right here they are selling it like it's a real person typing the features of the product, trying to sell the product. This is just amazing. This blew my mind when we were testing it for the agency, so it's just amazing. So now that we tested a speaker, which is a physical product, let's go and test it with a service-based business. So right here I have a happy realtors business, which is a good example for a service-based business. So let's try the Google description, which is the equivalent of Facebook primary text, but for Google. So right here, we're going to put the name of the business, and then we're going to copy the description of our realtor business. And then we go ahead and click create and see what the system brings. So starting with
find your next home in South Florida, online real estate in South Florida.
Obviously, these are more of headlines for Google ads. And then we have
your search for Florida home starts here. Let us help you find the right realtor, mortgage company, and home inspector to fit your needs.
Obviously, super straight to the point and the right amount of words for a Google ad. So let's go and click the heart right here and then make more to see more options within the platform. Then we have,
if you are looking for a home in the Sunshine State, you will find our website a valuable resource as your search. Just tell us a few things about yourself and we'll match up your needs with the appropriate professionals.
I like it.
This is really good. Obviously, it's a little bit longer for a Google ad. However, you can rephrase it, make it a little bit shorter, and that's a good start to A/B test your descriptions, headlines inside the Google ecosystem. So let's go and click make more and let the system create even more results to actually have at least 3 to 5 options so we can A/B test it inside the Google platform. So right here we have,
our goal is to provide you with a smooth, worry-free home buying experience. This website helps you find the right realtor and the perfect Florida home for your needs.
Super clear, straight to the point. I really like it. Then we have,
we're happy to help make the dream of owning a home in Florida become a reality.
I really like this one. Let's go and click make more. So right here we have,
together we will make the dream of home ownership in the Sunshine State a reality.
I really like that one. And then finally we have,
realtors are committed to helping you make your dream of owning your very own home a reality.
So as you can see, we can keep going and going and going, but for the sake of time, let's go and click view saved, and then you will see all of the options that we selected. We can download these options and then you will be ready to go. Once again, you have full access for 7 days after using the link in the description. Go ahead, sign up, and let me know how it goes for you. I will see you in the next one.